welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 182. Over and over again, we have complained of the rates and taxes in connection with our concern, and sooner or later we shall have to discuss ways and means of a successful agitation for their reduction. Full stop. Up to the present time, we have been very heavily handicapped in this respect, and judging from the present outlook, our resources will be called upon more and more in the immediate future, unless we are enabled to obtain the relief we think we are entitled to. Full stop. Again and again, during the last 6 or 7 years, there have been outcries against the upward tendency of these local levies, and in connection with their collection, many have urged that the facts of the case required the immediate attention of the authorities. Full stop. The history of the world shows that this matter of rates and taxes has always been a sore point with people of every clime and nation, and whether right or wrong, it is a fact that a great many have suffered imprisonment rather than pay what they have deemed unjust impositions. Full stop.